friends, Running Kimono here. So here's your Walgreens preview for the week of February the 13th to the 19th. And on Monday, it is going to be Valentine's Day as well. So if you need to get some last minute things on the 13th, which is the Sunday, we have you covered in this flyer preview. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about this morning, if you checked your digital coupons folder at the very top, boosters started showing up. So they kind of waited to the last minute for this one, but we have a 5 back when we spend 20. Usually these things show up either on Wednesday or Thursday. So Friday morning, that's when they popped up. And then we have a 15 back when you spend 60. This must be on my Rich card because that is a big basket. Couple rules for you guys. Again, it's from that window of the 13th to the 19th. They are of a one-time use, and they stack with paper boosters. So one digital and one paper tend to stack. It is okay to use manufacturer coupons or manufacturer register rewards with the balance. That is fine. Use your debit card, credit card, cash bills to pay down the balance. Do not use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay, or it will mess everything up. And as I stated earlier, guys, Valentine's Day will be celebrated on the 14th, which is Monday. So on the 15th, I'm assuming most Valentine's Day merchandise, whatever is left over, will be hitting 50% off. Okay, the first deal that we have is for some very inexpensive KitKat. They are called the KitKat Duos. They are 2 for $2. Buy one, get one free coupon. Look at the bottom there. So this is the digital coupon that we're going to have to load. So make sure you have this guy loaded. So grabbing 2 of those chocolate bars, it is $2 on the nose. Subtracting the BOGO free coupon, you're paying $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per candy bar. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Guess who's back? Buy 4 Tide Bounty Charmin products, get back a $6 register reward, and they are $5.24 a piece. It's rumored that the end of this month, all these products are supposed to jump, so maybe this will be a stock up time pour vu. If you have this booster, I would toss the 2 together to get the maximum savings. I don't think right now we have any really good Tide coupons, and a quarter really doesn't do much for me for paper products. Grabbing 4 of the Tides for $20.96. Load your booster, which is the 5 when you spend 20. You're going to pay that $20.96 out of pocket with your debit card. If you have manufacturer register rewards, by all means, toss it into the mix. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash plus a $6 register reward, making it $9.96 for the 4 or $2.49 per product. Let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. So just to make something abundantly clear, the next 2 deals is with a $5 store register reward. So if you wanted to do both the Tresemme and the Dove deal, do them separately, or only one register reward will print if you do both together. Period, end of story. First deal is with the Tresemme 2 for $10, and if you look at the deck there, it says $5 online coupon on 2. The one that we have currently is expiring, I think, on Saturday, so I think they're reissuing us a new one, and it says earn $5 reward when you buy 3. That is a store register reward. So we're going to grab 2 of the Tresemme hair care products, load that 5 off of 2 digital, and then we're going to grab this guy for $4. And it's on the same promotion. See, it says earn $5 store reward when you buy 3. Thus, if you buy 2 Tresemme and 1 Crest, you are doing the same dealio. And then this is the digital coupon that you have to load, which is $1 off. Or if you want to get a toothbrush, load the $1 toothbrush coupon, whichever you want, but grab a $4 product. Looking at the math for this one, 1 Crest for 4, 2 Tresemmes for 10. The total is 14. We have our 5 off of 2 and the $1 digital coupon. That's $6 off right there. So you're left with paying 8 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, the store register reward. It makes it 3 for 3 or $1 each. Now, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're not using a booster with this deal, by all means, go for it. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Yes, you will get back extra points as you are purchasing the Tresemme, which is a Unilever product. Okay, this next deal is on the same promotion as the last one, just to emphasize that. $7 for Dove body washes, and then we're going to have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Earn $5 store reward when you buy 3. I'm so excited, I can't even pronounce it. So we're also going to grab one of these toothpaste to round off that deal to our 3 products. So following the same drill as the last one. So you either have the paste or the toothbrush for that. And here is the $1 digital coupon. So make sure that you have that friend loaded. Looking at the math for this one, 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, they're $7 a pop, and 1 Crest for $4. So the total there is $18. We have the 7 off of 2 plus the $1 digital. That's $8 of coupons right there. You're paying $10 out of pocket, getting back a $5 store register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal on its own, and photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Dove is part of their catalog. Yes, you will get back extra points for purchasing Dove at Walgreens. Okay, this is a much better deal this week than the week previous. $3.29 for the Tide Simply, the Bounce, the Unstoppables, and the Tide Simply Clean. Earn a $3 register reward when you buy 3 of these products. Wow, that is quite the little deal. I would grab 3 of the Tide products, or if you wish to mix and match, yes, you can do that. Make sure that they're priced as part of the sale and they're tagged. So that's $9.87. You know what I would do? That goofy $5 store register reward that we get all the time, throw one of those in, pay $4.87, get back a $3 register reward, $1.87 after everything is said and done. I think this is super smart. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. And I feel somewhat robotic always saying this, but apparently these products are supposed to be jumping too, I guess sometime soon. You have to laugh. It's so awful. $5. We have a $1.25 IBC coupon. Over on the Fetch Rewards app, I have this little rebate of 500 points when you buy 2 of these. So I have to do it by Wednesday the 16th, and it's for the paper towel. Grabbing 2 of them for 10. You scan that IBC coupon, or you can load it digitally, and $2.50 will come off. You're paying $7.50 out of pocket, getting back 500 points from Fetch, which is 50 cents. Makes it $7 for the 2, or $3.50 per product. Not the worst little dealio. And if you are buying this on its own and you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, see that Pro Guard and Retainer by Paula Dent. Lots of that stuff is on clearance, and then we have a $1 rebate with IBOTTA. I know that here there were some of these products for $1.79, so picking one of those up for $1.79. Again, this is a clearance price, so your mileage may vary, but walk down that aisle, you might score some stuff on the cheap. You'll pay that $1.79 and get $1 back from IBOTTA, making it 79 cents. Now, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you buy a couple of these, absolutely go for it. I think the limit for this is up to 5. Okay, so the AZO rebate is back with IBOTTA as well. $5 back. Obviously, it's a lot cheaper if you buy this at the Dollar General. I think it's $3.50. But over at Walgreens, it is $10.99 for those cranberry tabs. I would use a $5 store register reward if you might have one, and then pay the $5.99, get $5 back from IBOTTA, and the final price point here is 99 cents. This is something that you always need, especially for the ladies out there in your, stockpile. And if you want to use Walgreens cash to pay this down, absolutely go for it. Okay, let's talk about some very quick honorable mentions. Now, with the diapers, I'm going to let you guys know if you want to buy the Huggies, it's on that promotion of buy 3, get back a $5 store register reward. Now, I did look, because I know there's a lot of parents out there who want these diaper deals. However, all the coupons are expiring on Saturday for Huggies. So maybe on Sunday morning, we might get something new. That's the only way I can co-sign off on doing a deal for these diapers. If not, it's going to be really expensive, guys. Also, with Valentine's Day so close, we have 20% off of fragrances and the skincare if you have ashy, dry skin or whatever. It's been a long winter. It is buy 2, get the 3rd for free. Maybe some great promotion will pop up for that. Okay, and then we have a lot of adult beverages. There's $5 rebates back for, I think, all of these. So it's 1 per household. You would basically pay for it. Something comes out of the Catalina machine. You send it to the manufacturer with your receipt and the UPC from the box, and they send you back a prepaid credit card or check. 1 per household. And then we have 3 for $10.99 for 7-Up, Sunkist, those good products, and BOGO free on Purex. But what is the first price point of the first product? Is it going to be like $7.99? And if that's the case, it's a big old pass. Tide is a better deal this week. And then lots of food, BOGO free, 2 for $10 for the bacon, not the worst deal. The Folgers coffee, $6.99 or $7.99. Hopefully that larger container is $6.99, but a lot of you that really enjoy coffee, that's one item that has also increased a lot in price. 2 for $5 for those oats, that is not a bad price point, and BOGO free for the ketchup. perhaps it's a time to stock up. Walgreens cash, store register rewards, whatever you can use to drop the price down. I would make something happen to have a little stockpile of some food for your home. Even frozen food, look at what they might have and some of the price points. It might be cheaper than the local grocery store. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.